All right, so if you've been on our channel long enough, you have seen numerous calisthenic videos featuring me, but this time we're actually gonna show you real calisthenics here. And my man Kyler here, he's gonna show you how to do a handstand. Okay, it's a lot more challenging than you think it is, but he's gonna break it down in a way that you're gonna be able to do it no problem. And while he's here, make sure you follow him on Instagram, send him a DM. He does some coaching here in the Clearwater, St. Pete area, so connect with him. He's the man. He is gonna be your guy to help you get your body in all different shapes, doing all kinds of crazy stuff. So he's gonna take after it right here, how to do a handstand.
All right, what's up? This is Kyler James. I'm gonna show you guys the hollow back handstand. So this is a little bit different from the normal handstand. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. And then I'll explain how it's done and the dynamics of how I'm holding that, all right? Okay, so they're not there 100% of the time, but so a hollow back handstand requires a lot of shoulder openness, so flexibility in shoulder flexion, overhead reach is going to be important, and it's about playing with relative amounts of flexion and thoracic extension. So it has a little bit to do with personal preference, but of course having your bridge is going to help a lot. An easy regression for that is doing one against the wall. So you'll start a little bit farther away from the wall than you would for a normal handstand, and you're gonna kick up into it. All right, so we're here. You guys are gonna tuck your chin, look up towards the ceiling, and then let your chest push through your shoulders. Keep your arms fully locked out. So whether you get the hold or not, you just want to find the point on the wall where it's like the floating point, where your feet start to come off. Yeah, even if you don't get that, you're still just opening your shoulders, opening your upper back, and all that's going to help. When you're upside down, you've got to squeeze the glutes, squeeze the low back. That's going to help you lock in the shape so that you don't fall over. So this is Kyler James Movement. You can find me on Instagram at Kyler James Movement. I train at Move GST here in Clearwater, so if you want to learn any of these things, give us a shout. It's Move Training Calisthenics on Instagram. Check these guys out at Criticalbench. They're awesome. So yeah, Kyler James signing off.